Hey YouTube, this is I Don't Give a Fuck 69, and I'm back for another opening. Today I have an Generation Force Special Edition box and a Storm of Ragnarok's Special Edition box. I haven't looked at anything yet. I don't know what these two cards are. There could be one of two variants for each. So let's start off with that. Generation Force, I got Absolute Zero. Pretty good card. I actually put it in my hero deck. Now I have two, so that'll actually help me out a lot. And Light and Darkness Dragon, another good card. Now, Eeny, Miny, Miny, Mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, Miny, Miny, Mo. Guess we're starting with Storm of Ragnarok. There's 3 packs of each, so this is going to be 6 booster packs in all. Let's see what we got. Fucking right. Ultimate Karakuri Steel Shogun MDL00X Burrito. Oh, that's awesome. Great first pull. Add away, Alex. Way to pull. Oh, it's really awesome. I'm really stoked now. Alright, now we're gonna hop over to Generation Force. Wow, I can't believe that first pull is an ultimate. Nothing in this pack. Generation Force not treating me the same. Oh shoot, where's that rare? Back over to Ragnarok. And an ultra rare. Wow, this is just proving to be amazing. A legendary 6 Samurai Inishi. What a good pull for Ragnarok. Let's see if Generation Force can keep up. Pain Painter. Holy shit. No way. I got a Pain Painter. God, I've been looking for that card for so long. Fuck. This is just making my day. I can't believe that. Out of 4 packs, I only have 1 pack that didn't give me anything. Holy shit. Hopefully it'll keep up. And with 3 hollows out of 3 packs, I got 3 hollows. How often does that happen? Wow. I really couldn't have asked for better out of that Storm of Ragnarok box. Wow. I'm just astonished. And I got a Zenmeister Super. Or I mean Ultra. I already have it from the tin, but shit, it's nice to get it from the pack. Oh, Jesus Christ. What an amazing pull. I can't believe that. Let's just recap on this so we can just see exactly what I pulled out of this. I'm in so much shock right now. Ultimate, Super, Secret, Super, Ultra. Wow. I'm almost at a loss for words about this. This is just incredible. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Wow.